These sausage roll are just perfect for my liking. I just love the beautiful outcome of this sausage roll. I just love it. This is something you will love to make for your children after watching this video. Your kids are going to love this recipe. If you give it a try, you're going to love it. Hello everyone, welcome to Homemade Recipe and Lifestyle. My name is Lola and you are welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make the perfect sausage roll. These are the list of my ingredients to make this sausage roll. What I have in the bowl here is 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I will go ahead by mixing the dough first, and later I will introduce to you the remaining ingredients that I will be using for this recipe. I'm using 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, pinch of salt, and I will go ahead and mix this dry ingredient together. Next, I will add butter. I'm using 8 tablespoons of cold butter. For this ingredient, you're going to need cold butter or margarine. Feel free to use any one you like, either butter or margarine, for this sausage roll dough. I will mix this very well until the mixture looks like a bread crumbs or gari. When you mix your dough very well, it will be easy for you by the time you add liquid to it. Now I'll go ahead and add milk. I'm using milk for this dough. You can use water if you want. If you don't have milk, you can use water, but I will be using milk for this dough. I'll go ahead and add my milk and then first use my spatula to mix it together. At this stage, I need to take off the spatula while I go ahead and use my hand to mix this very well. You don't need much liquid for this. So at this stage, I have achieved a non-sticky dough. The dough is just perfect and smooth. This is the type of dough you need to get when mixing your sausage roll dough or meat pie dough. I will go ahead and wrap this dough with my cling film and put it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes while I will go ahead by preparing the sausage. This is the filling that I will be using for this sausage roll. I will be using this particular sausage. These are already grounded sausage and in a square shape. So I will go ahead and take it out from the bag. I have used some of it. I think it is 10 pieces inside the pack, but I've used about 4 from it, so I will be using the remaining one today. This is beef sausage. I'll just go ahead and mix this together. You can use your food processor if you want to, but there's no need for that with this type of sausage. can use any sausage of your choice. This is what I'm using. This is what is available for me, and I like it so much. I love this particular sausage. There's no need to use a food processor or a blender. What I have here is some combination of spices, garlic powder, ginger powder, onion powder, paprika, nutmeg, and seasoning powder. I will go ahead and add 1 egg to this sausage and the spices. And I will use my hand to mix this together. As you can see, the sausage is very soft and already grounded, so I will be using my hand. I'm not using salt for this sausage. It contains salt already, so I won't be using salt. I'll go ahead and set the sausage aside. Now the dough is out of the fridge. It is time to start the rolling process. I will divide the dough into 2, and I will return the remaining half to the fridge while I go ahead and work with the half on my kitchen desk. I will roll out some dough with my rolling pin. I'm going to get a flat dough, but not too flat. Just want to make sure my dough is smooth and nicely rolled. At this stage, I will cut out the dough to a form of rectangle or rectangular shape, or any shape that you prefer. You can cut it into square shape, any shape that you prefer. Then I will go ahead by scooping some sausage on the dough. When you are making this, you don't want to put too much sausage in the dough. So at this stage, I will go ahead by using my hand to roll the dough. I love my sausage roll to be smooth, so I will gently roll this down. Once I reach towards the end of the dough, I will go ahead and apply egg. I have egg beside me here, which I've already whisked, so I will be using that for egg wash later once I'm through with the dough. The reason why I'm using egg is because I want the dough to be well sealed. I don't want it to open while baking in the oven. So you need to do this just to ensure your dough is well sealed without opening. I'll cut out the edges of this dough while I cut this sausage roll into 3. At this stage, I'll go ahead and preheat my oven on 170 degrees. I have my baking tray beside me with my baking sheet, so I will transfer this sausage roll into the baking tray and I will repeat the same process with the remaining dough. I have one egg here. I've already whisked the egg. I will go ahead and brush the dough with the egg by using my pastry brush, and I will take this to the oven and bake it on 170 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. 40 minutes later, the sausage roll is out of the oven and it is ready to eat. I'll go ahead now and open one of the sausage roll so that you can see what the inside looks like. Just take a look at this. This is just perfectly baked. I love the beautiful outcome of this sausage roll. If you enjoyed this video to this very moment, thank you so much for watching to the end. To all my subscribers, both new and old, I say a big thank you to you all. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you all. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.